Hey everyone, I'll show you how to install and remove a SIM card on your Motorola Moto G5. As you can see right here, it's gonna be on the top, the SIM tray and the SIM tray and the memory card is gonna be on top. So you'll need to use a pin to pull it out. You click on it and it comes out. And here's your SIM tray. Here's how you remove the SIM card. You just pull it out. And then here's the memory card, as you can see right here. So you do it the same way. There's a picture, shows you which way to put it in. It's really easy. You install it back here. That's the memory card, and here's the SIM card. It shows which way. So look at the picture and then just stick it back in your phone. Same way as you pulled it out. It is really easy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.